Hello everyone, welcome to my charm review, and in this charm review I will discuss all about the charm app, how it works, its full demonstration, my all exclusive bonus bundle, and how you can actually make money using this charm app. So let's start the charm review. So this charm app is going to launch by Bill Leader at 13th October on 11 a.m. EST on Warrior Plus network. So what is actually CharmApp? CharmApp is world's first autopilot Quora machine. This is actually a software, or you can call Charm app, which gets you free viral traffic in just matter of seconds. It's fantastic and charming app which lets you to get free traffic from Quora. Yes, Quora is a fantastic traffic platform. See some facts about Quora. Currently, Quora has about 300 million monthly unique visitors, which is huge, and there are more than 4 lakh subjects are discussed on Quora, and Quora has more than 190 million monthly active users, which is huge. And adults who use LinkedIn spend 2x time on Quora as they do on LinkedIn, and 35% of Americans use Quora. This is very important. See, we all know 80% or 70% buyers are from America, US citizens, and the Tier 1 country. So 35% of Americans use Quora, and 54% of the Quora users have an annual income over $1 lakh. This is also very important, because you are going to get traffic from Quora, so you need to know the statistics of Quora. See, 54% of Quora users have an annual income over $1 lakh. So it's very awesome place to promote your offer, affiliate offer, or your service. So it's very important stat, and 35% of Americans use Quora. And see, on average users spend 1 hour to more than 4 hours daily on Quora. See, people love to spend on Quora because Quora is the answer and question site, and they find solutions on answers. So they love to spend more time on Quora, and the more time people visit some sites, the more possibility to promote your service which solve some problems. And see here, Quora has got 78% of traffic from search engine and 19% of direct traffic. So the major traffic are from search engine, and you know search engine traffic are very targeted and buyer traffic, because they are searching for the queries. So search traffic always are targeted traffic, and Quora has 80% traffic like 80% of traffic from search engine. So this is very important to know. So Quora is really a awesome place to promote, and with this charm app you are going to get free traffic using the charm app from Quora. So this is fantastic and charming app which lets you get free viral traffic from Quora using this software. So let's see the software full demonstration. So this is the dashboard, membership area. After purchasing you will get, and I will also show you how you can get some discount when you get the charm software. I will show you later. And see, you will need everything to get free traffic in this charm membership area. And this is, first you will get the charm software. First you will get the charm software. This is brand new and beginner friendly software which gets you free viral traffic in just matter of seconds from the hottest and high converting traffic source, which is Quora. And you will also get step by step tutorials. This is training. You must need see the training to get the proper overview of how the system works and what you should to do. So you will get all the video trainings which take you how to get free traffic using this charm app and turn it into sales and commissions. Okay, then so you must need to see the training. Then it's the dashboard. See, here you can see the latest deals from Warrior Plus. You can see the sales page. You can also grab the deals. See, this is the latest, and the second page, third page, and this is the latest deals from ClickBank. The latest deals, you can see the sales page and grab deals, and second page, third page. Then this is Quora question. You know, Quora is a answer and question website. You can ask questions or you can answer questions. First, see, add new question. There are question example. See, these are the category. If you select affiliate marketing, these are the question sample related to affiliate marketing. How can I start affiliate marketing? What is the best way to start? See, these are the exact question format, because you know, when asking questions on Quora, they have some format when asked to question. So these are the perfect format of question. And if you said like make money online, you will see the sample question of related to make money online. If you said email marketing, this will set the questions about email marketing. Affiliate marketing, hosting, traffic, social media, everything about just give a name and you can select the question and you can ask the question on Quora, and you can also answer on your question. So first you need to ask questions, of course. So this is the perfect format of questions and you can later answer the questions. Okay, then this is the Quora link. From here you can create Quora link, and there are multiple templates here. You can select from any. This is the landing page, checkout page, coming soon page, giveaway page. You can select any template for creating link on Quora, and it has drag and drop builder. You can easily edit your page. See, this is drag and drop builder. You can edit, you can do anything on here. So, and just download and you will get the link. You can create the link. Then this is URL shortener. So URL shortener for like you get link from Warrior Plus or ClickBank. So you need to short your link. So this is bit.ly and this is Revendly. You just need to click shortener and you will get the shortened form of bit.ly or Revendly. And the most fascinating part of this charm app is social blast. When you ask questions and your answer on below the questions, you need to blast your Quora link. So social blast is the best option because it have chance the viral. Okay, so you have the just input your Quora questions link or answer link or your profile, anything, just your link, question link, the answer will be the below of your questions, and you can blast your Quora link to all of the hundreds social media. So imagine how many time people will see your questions. So this is a fantastic, just fantastic option, this social blast, and this is really fantastic, and it really gets lots of traffic. Okay, and see, Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, Pinterest, Viber, hundreds of social media you can blast in just one click using your answer or questions. So this is really cool feature. Then you have the option of Quora hashtag. Hashtag is very important. Just you need new analysis, and you just need to put some keyword and click analysis. See, all the hashtags, Quora hashtags, you can analyze on based on these hashtags. You can ask question or answer question based on this, because if you do things based upon hashtags, your exposure, your traffic will increase dramatically, and you can analyze any keyword and the hashtag will appear by the software. Then you have the Quora automation facility. See, this is the automation template one. You just create template, just campaign name and your message. This will automate everything using Quora, and this is fantastic Quora backlinks. And you know Quora is a very high authority website. So if you can create backlinks on Quora, this is very high domain authority backlink. See how you can create backlink with just one click. See, just I am getting this URL for example. Just paste your desired URL from with which you want to create backlinks, high domain authority backlinks, high DAO backlink, and click generate. It will take some minutes and will create lots of backlinks which is from Quora, and with this you can also make money from Fiverr by offering backlinks which is high domain authority backlinks. See the gigs, I will help you rank higher on Google with safe high DA SEO backlinks. See 1K plus review. So imagine how many times he has offered this service. I will do monthly SEO service with permanent high DA backlinks. He is charging $40 and he has also 1K plus review. So he has completed his service so many times. See high quality do follows SEO backlinks, high authority white label backlink $95. I will build the ultimate high quality SEO backlinks $495. And using this charm software you can create Quora, and this is obviously very high quality high domain authority backlink. So you can easily create backlinks from Quora and you can offer service on Fiverr. So you can make money from Fiverr also using just Quora backlinks tab. And you have also the option of connect your Facebook and Instagram with Quora. So all of your Quora questions and answer will go to the Facebook pages. This is a fantastic, just log in with Facebook and Quora on Facebook, Quora on Instagram, and this is the RSS auto posting, and there are lots of functions. So first you need to see the training, so you will get the full idea how to do it correctly. And this is my exclusive bonus bundle. I have put the link in my description below. When you purchase through my special link, you will get all the bonuses automatically. So first one is YouTube Velocity. This is a software which unlocks set and forget free bad traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. This is a cool and awesome software method. And Meep, this is a very traffic getting software. Then Sheena, this is a software for free bad traffic in your chosen niche on autopilot. You can do it on any niche. And this is Genovia and Cleopatra. This is a fantastic software. This software brings buyer traffic from LinkedIn, free buyer traffic from LinkedIn, which is a business social media, and Cleopatra automates the profit strategy on LinkedIn. And this is Golden Stash, the domain flipping method, awesome domain flipping method. Then TweetX, this is a Twitter software. It brings free traffic from Twitter using this software. Then forget about Broke. The Nova, this is a software which brings targeted audience from TikTok. You will get also the upgrades version with this. The Lazy Traffic is Sniper, List Lariat, Aerial Assassin. This is also teach you how to get free traffic to make affiliate commissions, and this is 100% proven method, and you can make very big commissions with this. This is genius method. Traffic Underdog, 6-figure secrets. Then Traffic Booster, Affiliate Takeoff, This is fantastic method, just fantastic method. Anyone can do this. And the super shakedown, this is also a great method. Profit scope, you can hijack big affiliate traffic automatically and place your links to promote. This is a fantastic method. And this is profit force, this is also awesome. Octagon, elevate, accelerate, this is cool training, teach you how to leverage free traffic to make high ticket commissions. This is the era of high ticket selling. This is the gold mine seeker, and there are lots of bonuses I can show you all, and I have put the link in my description. If you purchase through my special link, you will get all the bonus worth over $33,000 automatically. So this is charm app, the demonstration, and you can get some discount when purchasing charm. See, when you the page, just go to the cross cursor button and you will get $4 discount. Okay, $4 discount you will get. So don't forget to take the discount, and don't forget to take my exclusive bonuses. So, and you can also make money using Fiverr using the Quora backlinks option. So this is all about my charm review, and this is my bonuses. So take my bonus, and also don't forget to take the discount option. So this is all about. I hope this charm review will help you to make your purchase decision. So this is for today. See you soon.